Hello traders, this is DAX on the daily chart. I'm starting with this one because of the real sort of weakness we're seeing here. We've moved into this 94 and now we are really struggling. So back down to 92.30. We've engulfed the last couple of days. We've engulfed Monday, Tuesday, the price action at this stage. Now we've obviously got the 50 and the 21 EMA sitting here. So there's a lot of support here, but this is quite often going to happen when you've got the 50 and the 200 either side of your trade, and that's exactly what's happened with that one. Dow has still got an hour, and in fact it's still got an hour and 2.25 hours left. We're holding up, but we are high, this very, very high RSI. We're bullish, but we are struggling to find buyers up here. So let's just see what happens into the close on that one. The dollar, the key aspect of this is the dollar is strong. The yen is still weak. So the dollar pairs are getting sold. That daily is something of a hangman there. So we're struggling up there with this high RSI up here. I think we need a pullback. I think we need a pullback to retest that hammer. That hangman to me suggests we're going to get some downward pressure tomorrow. And because this 21 EMA needs to pop up, and we've actually got a gap there at 250, so markets do not like gaps. So let's have a look. Let's see what that one wants to do there. I've been trading this CAD Swissy because we've got some CAD data on Friday is expected to be strong. So at the moment we're trapped in this range, low excursion either side of the range. But in a box play like this, normally if you're going to come out of the box and you buy the support in the box and then get a stop to break even and then see if we can pop out. So I would buy a pullback to about 85, 25, 30 and see if that can pop up. Pound yen, struggling, really struggling with divergent RSI now. Pound Aussie dollar is trying to base here, but again that's trapped between 50 and the 200. I suspect, and last time we had that, we shifted around for a while here, we shifted around for a while here and here, got squeezed here before it ran to the downside at the moment. So this is a seller's bar. So we're seeing a little bit of buying off of this low, but I suspect we might end up flapping around here. I'm bullish on this, but obviously what would be a nice move would be to see this drop down to this support here, just under the 180 mark, put in a hammer and then buy it. So I'm going to wait and see if that happens. Pound US dollar, got a nice move off of that. Hope you caught that in the room. So let's just look at oil. With the strong dollar, the oil is struggling. Pits close in 40 minutes, so let's see where that one closes. Alright, hope that helps. So just look for dollar strength. Obviously the US and Europe, a lot of Europe were away yesterday, so this is you could regard this as the first day of the week in some respects. A lot of people no doubt taking a 4-day weekend. So I would ideally want to see this dip back to here, back to 17,400, and then I would start to get interested because of this support there. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for, and talk to you next update.